Hello, class, and welcome to week number 2. You all have done your site and syllabus quiz, and I've graded everyone's who turned them in. I thank you for those who turned them in and those who did not submit. I'm sorry, but I did go through and grade and updated those who submitted them because I have to check the fill in the blank. So those are all done, so you can check and see your grade. This week, week number 2, you will be reading chapter 1 of your textbook. So now we'll be getting into our text. Your chapter 1 quiz is due Sunday by 11:59 p.m. Sunday, January 19th. Now, can you finish it ahead of time? Sure. I strongly suggest not waiting until the last minute because, with technology, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So hopefully we won't have any issues or any problems. So make sure that you are doing your chapter 1 quiz by January 19th. This week, you need to work on your video introductions. Those are due Friday, January 17th. So in a couple of days, your introduction is due. You will find your information about your introduction assignment on Blackboard. Underneath your assignments, you click into class assignments, you click into the introduction assignment, and it will give you all the information you need, plus it will give you my introduction as well. So I did a little introduction just for you guys, just so you can learn a little background about me. So in this intro, you will tell your name, your major, your hometown, where did you grow up, what other languages beside English do you speak, what areas outside of the United States have you visited, have you lived outside of the United States and where, what was one intercultural experience you have had that really sticks out in your mind? Now, this could be a positive something or a negative something. What was one ritual your family practiced as you were growing up? Why are you taking this class? And tell me something about you that is culturally hidden that we would never guess in a million years, something we cannot see. Now, one thing you'll learn from this class is that culture is not just ethnicity. You could be from the band culture if you're in the band, or you could be from the football culture if you play football. You're Gen X, Gen Y, all of those different things are parts of culture. So you'll tell me one thing that is culturally hidden that we would have never guessed in a million years. I need you to answer all 11 questions because I'll deduct if you don't answer them all. Once you have completed this assignment on Friday, the 17th, you then need to make a comment on your classmate's post. You need to have 4 entries on the discussion board. Your 4 entries will be your introduction link. That's 1 entry. You will then comment on 2 classmates' posts. That's 2 and 3. And then you'll reply to a classmate's post. That's your 4th entry. So let me say that one more time. Your 4 entries on on the discussion board. Go to the discussion board on Blackboard. You have to have 4 entries. 1 is your link. So once you've made your WebEx or YouTube video, you will then put your link. That's 1 entry. Your next 2 entries will be commenting on someone's video. So that means you have to watch 2 students' videos. So you guys need to get these videos in there on time. So by Friday, when you're submitting, and the way you submit is in the submission section, you say, here's my intro, and you put your link there. But you also will put your link on the discussion board. So you'll put your link 2 different times on the assignment link area and then within the discussion board. Discussion board will have your link. You will comment on 2 classmates' videos, and then you'll reply to at least one one classmate. Now, if you want to do more, that's fine, but you're only required to do what I just asked of you. Please try, if you see the list of links, to try to go down because usually the first 3 or 4 everyone clicks on and does that. So that's key. Make sure you kind of go down and you can do a few different people so everyone gets to be commented on. Okay, we'll get to work. That comment is due by Monday, or those 4 entries on the discussion board is due by Monday, but your link on the discussion board is due Friday. That has to be done Friday so people can get their other 3 entities on the discussion board done over the weekend by Monday. So your links are due both in the assignment area and on the discussion board by Friday, 11:59 p.m. And then on Monday, you're responsible for the 2 remarks on your classmates' videos and replying to a classmate. Okay, just email me if you have any questions. Everything's under the introduction assignment. It's all written there. So take a look at that as well. Have a great week. Stay warm. Read the next chapter, the first chapter actually, and don't forget to do your chapter quiz on Sunday. All right, have a great day.